judgment system. See, we've got a paved shoulder here with a surface treatment to distinguish in texture between that and the lane, the travel lane here. 2 lanes in each direction, tangent section, very little change in grade. Excellent section to work on. We're not able to avoid some cross drains in here, but with this 15-foot fill and with a 15-inch diameter drain pipe, and I can stop and show you one down here around Station 4, you can see that there's really nothing to be concerned about with that. It has no effect on the pavement performance whatsoever. This job here is around 12 to 15 years old. Coming up, approaching the end of the test section. See where our drill rig is up ahead, getting ready to poke another hole. What we're going to do is we're going to alternate coring and augering. We augered the one behind us, as you know, and this next one we'll go ahead and core it and dispense with the augering just to save us some time and get out of here quicker. We'll walk on up there. You see where the seal coat has, or the surface treatment placed on the shoulder has raveled away considerably out here on this edge. That's unusual. Throughout most of it, it has remained quite intact. About a total of 3/4 inches more asphalt on this core than we had on the previous one. There we had about 9.5 inches, and here we have, actually about 10 3/8, so it's even a little bit more than that, about 5/8 of an inch extra. Again, you can see the separate courses, and you can see the separate lifts. See, right here, I don't recall offhand, we've got a distinction between, we've got a binder and a base layer, or?
It's binder and wear? Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't remember. I know you got a wear and a binder and a base, a couple of base layers maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Don't remember what it was.
Again, the total thickness of the wearing layer is around 1 inch, and then the remainder of it being a combination of binder and base layers, which often are the same mix or mix design here, although these don't appear to be. This looks like a different mix than what we see in this course and this course, and these might indeed be different as well, since they may have been built at different times. Often they'll stage construction here, and you'll see one go down and last the winter until they come back in the next season, and then they'll pave over that. But we have a total of around, this being the edge here, of around 10 3/8 inches of asphalt, which will put it in the high category for GPS 1. Standing about 175 feet or so downstream from the end of the GPS test section, you can perhaps see the white stripe denoting the end of the section back up ahead there, and the crosses out there indicating each station. This is going to end the video for test section 14125, but I'm not going to sign off on this and move to the other ones and then start up again. It's in there because, again, this was selected primarily to serve as the routine maintenance section or routine maintenance control for the SPS3 experiment, which is coming up ahead, which I'll be showing on the video in just a moment. I have not completed the distress survey on this section yet, nor on all the other ones. I'll come back and get that after we're through taping. Right now, we want to go ahead and take care of all that we can with the drilling rig and everything else, and then we'll come back and finish off the paperwork and then get on the